Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be using these square foot tips that I got from a nail store in Nigeria, which I featured on my YouTube channel a week or 2 weeks ago, and I'll be using it to create another Valentine nail set. We're in Valentine season, and I'm just trying to give you nail ideas you can rock for the Valentine season. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what is on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So right now, I'm picking the nail tip sizes, and I'm trying to get the exact size so that they will not be too big for the nails. This is the first time I'm using this full cover square tips. Don't mind me. So I'll be trying to do my best to make it look so nice and natural. So I decided to fix the tips offline so that this video will not be too long. I've shaped, buffed, and filed it as well. I actually shaped the nail to make it more square and to fit my model's fingernails better. So right now I'm applying the base coat. I'll be curing it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds before I apply the gel polish. So this set I'll be creating today, I'm just trying to create a set from my head. I don't know. There are lots of Valentine nail ideas online right now, so I'm just trying to create a very simple one that you can or you'll be able to do by yourself, or your nail technician will be able to do for you with ease. So I'll be using two colors from Lisa gel polish products, and that'll be pink and purple. I decided to do something different. I didn't want to use red, so these are the colors I'll be using. This lovely bubblegum pink and this beautiful purple. So let's get right into it. So I want to try to create like an ombre pattern on this particular set, but I was not patient enough to create that ombre effect, but it still turned out well. So in normal day, if I'm trying to create this vertical ombre, what I usually do is I usually pick a brush that is different from the brush of the gel polish to blend the middle of the nail polish together. But in this particular set, I didn't do that. I just wanted to blend a little, not just I had no intention of blending everything perfectly well. So I'll be doing that ombre like pattern on two fingers, the pinky and the pointing finger. Okay, so the other two fingers, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the other three fingers, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the thumb, we have almost the same pattern. So if you have watched to this moment, kindly like this video, watch till the end, and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts about this particular set, and if you'd like me to create more sets like this, long nails. I usually don't do this long sets. Most times when I do this long set, I usually create it on my models, because the clients that I have don't usually like long sets. They are the regular everyday people that just want to look nice with their nails, not carry such long length. So after application, I'm going to be curing this in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to apply the second coat of the ombre like pattern twice, and also cure. I will not be applying the purple gel polish twice because the first coverage is perfect for what I want to achieve. Then I'll start with the little drawing I want to do on the nails. So I'm going to be carrying this in UV lamp for 60 seconds again. Then I'm going to be applying matte top coat on the fingernails, which I will be doing the drawing. So because I'm not going to be doing the drawing on the ombre part, I added the glossy top coat on them. But you know something, when it finished curing, I discovered I didn't like the way it looked, so I'm still going to be changing that to change everything to matte, you know, when I'm done with whatever drawing I'm going to do on these nails. So I'll be thinking of adding another series where I'll be telling you guys some of my experience with some of my clients while the tutorial is actually going on. So I'll be leaving I'll be putting in my community tab, and I like your opinion about that. And if you're interested in hearing these stories about my experience with some of my clients, ugly experience and some good experience as well, in the comment section, please leave a comment so I can know you're interested in hearing these stories. Don't forget to also check my community tab to see the poll on my community tab. Thank you for watching today's video. Kindly watch this video to the end and let me know your thoughts about this set. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed and enjoy this music, this cover song from All by Christine. Bye guys.
Till you give me is not enough. Oh. You know, say me, I know I fall in love, shorty. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. Ballon room surround me, die yo with you. Oh. Baby, all I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, falling, yeah. And I'm calling to you, calling baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, no. I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, no. I'm getting addicted to you. Yeah.
Wavy.
On and on. It's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like.